Hey guys, over the next week I will be releasing 3 tutorials that will show you how to create 3 different patterns that you can use to add detailing to your wall hanging. This detailing can be added anywhere to your piece, don't be afraid to get creative. Let's get started. Today I will show you how to add a semicircle design to your piece. I've tied a row of double half hitch knots here to show you how you can add the detailing underneath. Cut a piece of cord that will be used as your filler cord along your work. For my piece I have cut a cord that is 3 feet long. Attach it to the left side of your work using a double half hitch knot. Attach it to the right side of your work just for now using a double half hitch knot. Cut 2 pieces of cord, each piece is 2 feet long. Attach both cords to the filler cord using lark's head knots. Using the inside left cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots working to the right. Using that same cord, attach it to the original filler cord using a lark's head knot. Cut 2 more pieces of cord, each piece is 1 foot long. Attach the first piece to the cord on the right using a cow hitch knot, which is the reverse of a lark's head knot. Tie 2 double half hitch knots moving to the left. Attach a second cord to the filler cord using a cow hitch knot. Tie 1 more double half hitch knot. Tuck the filler cord into the back of your semicircle and cut off the extra cord. Trim the cords in the front. Decide where you'd like to add your semicircle and then tie double half hitch knots before and/or after the semicircle design. brush out the ends and add another semicircle if you'd like. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.